University of Eastern Pangasinan Hymn. East is where the sun rises, hymns are built to progress, shining towards the light of success, through faith and love we blesses. We shine for better institution, we unite to fulfill its mission. We all strive to reveal its mission. Towards greatness we work with dedication. University of Eastern Pangasinan, Center for an excellence. We are here to his reverence. Your doctor is his key. We aim high, we fly high with unity. Till sound, much and sharp, and sound and daughters dearly beloved. We uphold the wisdom bestowed, with greatness in the heart overflow. University of Eastern Pangasinan, Center for an Excellence. We adore to His reverence. Doctor is the key. We aim high with you, high with unity. UEP, my dear, UEP so dear. Lesson, vision, and spirit, you build upon me. We will guard, we will care, we shall shine to the world. University of Eastern Pangasinan, Center for an Excellence. We are here to his reverence. We are Doctor is his key. We aim high, we fly high with unity. I will lead.